Hello children, welcome back to the chapter 11. Today we are going to discuss about the surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. So for that, the first thing we have to know for these solid shapes, how many faces do they have? Okay, so let's go for one example. If I am talking about the first thing, that is cube, we are discussing here. Let it be for a cube, how many faces you are getting? Yes, you know, it is made up of the squares only. How many squares are there? Yes, let's see. Yes, now tell me how many squares you are getting here. Total we are getting here total 6 squares. Yes, all the sides and with the sides top and the bottom. See how I am showing you the chalk box. Let's consider this box of chalk. Let it be considered that it is a cubic in shape. So for that, what are the things we are going to consider here for the surface area? How many faces does it have? Yes, if I am considering the top one, first one, then it's just opposite that bottom one. So these two squares, yes, then with that. Here if I am talking about that face, so it's opposite we have another one. That means how many we have got till now? 4. And if I am considering this one, then that it's opposite that one. So total how many we are getting here? Here we are getting total 6 faces. And you know that for this all 6 faces, what will be the shape of this face? Here it is made up of 6 square faces. How many faces we are getting? In this case, I am getting the number of faces 6. Whereas for a cube, all the faces that all have the same length. If I am considering this one is A, that length, then height is also A and the breadth, that is also A. So what will be the surface area? Surface area means that all the faces, that layer area I am going to add. So how many faces we have got already? Already we have 6 faces. And area of one face, let it be if I am talking about the top of this box. So that area, what we are going to consider here, this is in square shape. So for that one, length into breadth, or here we can say in this case of square, we can say side into side. So that area of one face, that will be what? Area of one face is how much we are getting? That is side into side. Yes, so that kind of how many faces we have? 6. So the total surface area for this cube shape, total surface area of the cube will be how much? 6 into each face, that is a square. So each have all the square faces and together these 6 square faces will make the area, that will be 6 is square. Now if in place of a cube, if we are considering one cuboid, so what will happen? You know the face of the cuboid will be rectangular. Yes or no? Yes. Look at your book. You can see this is also cuboidal in shape. Yes. It is not even cubic, it is cuboidal. And there also you will get how many faces? Definitely it also have the 6 faces. Yes, but all the faces are not identical. Only two faces will be identical. Let it be, if I am talking about the base at the bottom, let's the length of this base is L. So breadth let it be B and the height, that one let it be H. Here all these 3 can vary. They are not at all equal, where in case of a cube all these 3 were equal. Now how can I get the surface area of this one? So it means what? Here the surface area of this cube means what? In this case, first if I am talking about the base, so the identical top also I will get. So these two, area of the base and the top, it will be how much? Area of the base is equal to, here for a cuboid, this one we are talking about for the cuboid. Okay, the first one what we will take, it have one base and the identical top also. So for that the base have the area of length into breadth, and it is 2 in number because top and base will be same. So here I can write this will be 2 into L into B. Now if I am talking about these 2 sides, yes, what we will get for these 2 sides? Yes, we can consider the breadth and the height. because by that we will get this area, and this is also identical. Two faces we are getting here, what we have in this case, we are going to consider breadth and height and into 2 because these also have 2. That opposite one, so here that one also will be 2 into b into h. Now one more we have. What we have left, you can see the front one and the back one. Here what we are going to consider, this one was h and the length. So this area I am going to consider now. Here it will be length into height. Okay, so the third pair it will be 2 into length into height, that is 2 LH. So for the total surface area, I am going to include all these 3 things together. Yes, so let's add all of them. So the total surface area of the cuboid, that is equal to what? We are going to add all of them. So it will be 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Yes, so this is the total surface area for a cuboid shape where the faces are all in rectangular shape. Let's come to the surface area of a cylinder. Okay, let's come to the surface area of a cylinder. What will happen in this case? You might have noticed that when we are folding a paper, what shape we are getting by folding this one, we are getting a cylinder. Yes, cylindrical shape. And the top and the bottom will be 2 circles, and this is the lateral surface, that curved face we are getting here. Okay, now how to find out the area for this curved surface? For that, one idea we have. Let's consider one example. Let's think about a circle. Here I am making with this paper. One cylinder I am going to make here. Here if I am touching both the end, yes, you can see here, it is visible clearly I think. Here if I am touching both the end and I am giving a shape of a circle, here you can see on 2 of the end, 2 circles are left. Yes, so if I am covering these 2 by 2 circles, so top and bottom what I am getting? 2 circles. So area of these 2 circles, it will be how much? Definitely 2 pi r square, because I have here 2 circles on the top and the bottom, these 2. Now what will happen for this lateral surface? Okay, let it be. Let's consider this height, that is equal to h. Here I have marked. Now if I am opening this one, I am opening by what? This was the circle I had, and when I am opening, that one is will be the end of this side. You can see this is what the circumference of the circle. Yes or no? Now when I will open this one, or if I am cutting that cylinder, what I am getting? I am getting a rectangular sheet. Yes, you can see I am getting a rectangular sheet. So that length of this rectangle, what I am getting? It will be equal with what? It will be equal with the circumference of this circle. So length of that one, when I am opening this cylinder, that one I am getting here equal to what? That will be 2 pi r, or the circumference of this circle we had. Yes, so now if I want to find out this curved face, what it will be? Here that height, that will be considered as the breadth. When I have opened this one in form of that, I have shown you by opening the fold of this paper. Earlier when I have folded like that, I have made one cylinder, and when by touching both the end, and here the length of this, when I am opening this one, it is coming equal with what? With the circumference of this circle. So how can I get the area of this one? Definitely the length of this rectangle when I am opening. That means if I have cut it like that, here if I am cutting this one, what will happen? In this case, earlier that one we have considered as height, so it will come up to that. Yes, that one, that side also it will come up to that, because I have opened this one by cutting this. So what is happening here? I am getting one rectangle, and for this rectangle, that height it stands for the breadth, and the circumference it is coming what? The length, that is 2 pi r. So area of this lateral surface will be how much? So area of this curved face, we can write here area of the curved face will be how much? It will be definitely 2 pi r, that is the length of this rectangle, and breadth, that is equal to h. Yes, so this is the curved face I am getting. So what will be the total surface area? Total surface area means the curved face and the top, and the bottom and bottom also will be included, that means 2 pi r square will be included on that. So let's find out the total surface area. So the total surface area of a cylinder which will be equal to what? First, the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area is what? 2 pi r into h. Yes, plus with that we are going to include what? 2 circles. So that is equal to 2 pi r square. The area of the 2 circle is the 2 pi r square. So from that, what we can take common? You can see we can take 2 pi r as common, 2 pi r. So what is remaining here? One h, and here another r is remaining. So in short, we can say the total surface area for a cylinder will be 2 pi r into h plus r. This is the total surface area. But if you have asked for the lateral surface area, what you will do? For the lateral surface area, we are going to exclude that top and bottom, these 2 circles. So only lateral surface area will be how much? It will be 2 pi r into h. Yes, so let's go for some of the examples or questions given in your exercise. Let's come to the try this of page number 182, bit A. Here one cube has been given here. You have asked to find the surface area of cube A. First come to this one. How do you find out the surface area of this one? Surface area means here it is not mentioned for the lateral or the whole. So we are going for the total surface area. What it will be? The total surface area will be how much? First you go for the parameters as been given here. All the sides, that means the height, length, breadth, everything has been given 10 cm. That means it is cube in shape. So if it is cubic in shape, what we can consider, it has 6 faces. So the total area occupied by the 6 faces we are going to consider. So how much it will be? Here we can write 6 into a square, whereas the a is 10 into 10, that much centimeter square. So what you are getting? 600 centimeter square. So on the same page, in the second bit, you have asked to find the lateral surface area of cube B, whereas it's all the sides has been given. For that one, all the sides has been given 8 centimeter. Okay, come to that question also. You are going to find that lateral surface area. Lateral surface means we are not going to include that top and the bottom. These two we are not going to include. So here how many faces we are going to consider? Here again you can see this is also, all the sides are 8 centimeter. Yes, and the length also 8 centimeter. Okay. So here this is also cubic in shape. So here the lateral surface area of this one, lateral surface area, not the total surface area. So lateral surface area is equal to what? Only 4 faces we are going to consider. That means that all the 4 sides, the top, front, back, and the 2 sides, that means 4 faces we are going to consider. So 4a square means 4 into 8 into 8, that much centimeter square, or 4 into 64 centimeter square, or we can write it 4 4 16, 4 6 24, plus 1 25. So 256 centimeter square. This is not the total surface area, only the lateral surface area you have asked in this one. Okay, now come to the next page number 184, whereas one cylinder has been given whose height has given 8 centimeter, you can see, and the radius has given 14 centimeter. And here you have asked to find the total surface area of this one. So total surface area means what we will do, as I have told you in the explanation part, we are going to include the top and the base. Yes, so top and base also will be included. And what was the formula we have got on that case? Here it was the total surface area. Yes, what it was? We have 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. From where we have taken 2 pi r as common, so r plus h was there inside the bracket. So let's put the value here. Here 2 pi is 22 by 7. R has given 14 centimeter. Here also 14 plus this is 8. That much what? Centimeter square. Let's cancel them. What you are getting? Yes, it is coming what? 4. So 88 into this one is what? 22 centimeter square. So let's multiply them. 88 into 22. Yes. Yes, we are getting here 1936 centimeter square. This is what? This is the total surface area of this cylindrical shape. So let's try to solve the questions given in your exercise from your NCERT book. All the best.